Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching Foam, Fashion on My Own. Today's video is a highly requested one and equally important too. Unfortunately, just layering the skin with products is not enough unless you do it in the correct order. So watch on how to do the skincare right. Whether it's morning or night, start by using a cleanser which will get rid of all the traces of dirt and oil. If you want to get rid of eye makeup, use a special remover instead of using a regular cleanser, as it will be much gentler on the eye area. After washing your face, your pores are open and unclogged, so use a toner to shrink the pores, but don't use it too much as it can dry your skin. After cleansing and toning, the first product that you must apply on your skin is anything that's medicinal in nature, be it your acne creams, anti-aging creams, scar lightening products, etc. Because you want them to penetrate right into your skin and work their magic. Serums can be used on any skin type and they are more potent than regular moisturizers, no matter what you put on top. But if you're layering a serum underneath, that means you're giving your skin the yummy concentrated ingredients it loves. Eye cream should be applied before the moisturizer, as a moisturizer is thick in consistency and it gets under the eye, on the lid also, making it very difficult for the eye cream to sink in. Also, if you use too much of eye cream, it can clog the pores under the eye. Apply using a ring finger. The next step is to use a moisturizer. Although a moisturizer won't change your skin, but it will definitely keep it more hydrated, and if you use it regularly, it gives you the dewy and youthful glow. In case if you have oily skin, use water-based moisturizers. If you have dry skin, use rich and thick moisturizers. And if you have acne-prone skin, then use water-based moisturizers that won't block the pores. Night moisturizers are same as day moisturizers, except that they may be a little bit more thicker and richer. Most of the moisturizers can be used during the day and night, but if the formulation is specifically for the night, make sure you use it only in the night. Day moisturizers come with SPF. In case if you choose a moisturizer with inbuilt sun protection, I would recommend SPF 30, which will adequately protect you against UV rays. Now last but not the least is a sunscreen. There's a huge debate on this. Some of the skin experts swear by the fact that you should apply a sunscreen before the moisturizers, while others say it's okay to reverse the order without any problems. I say if you're using a chemical-based sunscreen, then apply it before the moisturizer. And if you're using a physical-based sunscreen, then you can apply it after the moisturizer. In any case, I think to avoid confusion, the best thing is to use a moisturizing sunscreen. In case if you applied moisturizer before this, you need to let it dry for 10 minutes before applying sunscreen. Now coming to some basic tips. Formulations that are thinner to touch should always be applied first to get utmost absorption, because these tend to contain smaller molecules compared to their thicker counterparts, and they tend to penetrate right into the skin with direct contact. In case of topical treatments like those for acne, dark spots or scarring, there's an exception. If it's a product that repairs or cures existing damage, then you should always apply it after the cleanser and toner. In this way, the medication will seep in deeply. When layering skincare products, we need to give each product enough time to get into the skin so that it has a chance to do what it's supposed to do. I know that we are really rushed in the morning and we tend to skip steps or apply multiple products together, but we need to understand that we're not doing ourselves any favor. Also, if you allow each product to sink in, it will work wonders. So ladies, that's it from my end. I hope you like this video and please share it with your friends. And for more such awesome videos, subscribe to Foam, Fashion on My Own. Bye. Like your acne creams, anti-aging creams, skin lightening pores, scar lightening pores. Skin lightening pores. That means that you're giving your skin the rummy
yeah.
formulations that are easy thinner to touch. In case if you have dry skin, then use rich and thick moisturizers. Acne prone. अभी ये भी डालेगा, मुझे पता है तू डालेगा बोल